Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Snapchat Dreams AI Selfies. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new feature called the Snapchat Dreams AI Selfies, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. And once you're already here, I would like you guys to go ahead and locate the option to basically access your in-app memories. So how do you necessarily access your in-app memories? You could easily go ahead and swipe up to see your in-app memories right here. Now, what we want to do is to go ahead and locate the option below the search bar, and I want you to tap on the option labeled Dreams. So in the case that you can't necessarily see that option labeled Dreams, well, you need to go ahead and firstly try to search it on here, and if you still can't locate that option, you got to make sure as well that your Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. Now what this is going to do is it's going to basically give you updated features like this and give you the best user experience possible. So I would like you guys to go ahead and search for the Snapchat application on the App Store and make sure that you have the latest version of the application. And once you already have the latest version and you've already updated your application as well, all we need to do is to do what I said a while ago, to go ahead under your in-app memories, and below the search bar there's going to be located a tab called Labels. Now, once you're there, of course, you can now go ahead and tap on that option, go ahead and upload a selfie, agree to the terms and conditions, and then within a specific 30-minute period, your AI-generated selfies are now ready to be used. It's that easy, guys, so please like this video as well, and please subscribe if you guys learned something, and take care.